The direction of angular velocity vector is along statement 1 along the tangent of circular path, statement 2 along the direction of radius vector, statement 3 opposite to the direction of radius vector, statement 4 along the axis of rotation. So in this question we are discussing about angular velocity, which is a axial vector. So first we will discuss about axial vector. Axial vectors are those vectors which are used to represent the direction of vectors which are about axis of rotation. Means a body is rotating about an axis which is known as axis of rotation. So in the given figure we can represent which one is axis of rotation. So here this axis which is perpendicular to the body, or we can say perpendicular to the plane of body, is known as axis of rotation. This line represented here is a radius vector which can be written as r vector, and this line is along the tangent. Here we can see axis of rotation is the line which is passes through its center and about which whole body is rotating. Therefore we have defined a vectors which is known as axial vectors basis on axis of rotation. If we further talk about it, we can find its direction. Direction can be determined by right hand thumb rule. Means direction of axial vectors which will act along axis of rotation can be found with the help of right hand thumb rule. So here we will see angular velocity, which is an axial vector which acts along axis of rotation, and its direction can be calculated or determined with the help of right hand thumb rule. So in this question we have only asked the direction of angular velocity, which is an axial vector, hence its direction is along the axis of rotation. So answer of this question, it is along the axis of rotation. Thank you.